in today's video, I want to show you how you can change the background of any image. Alright, so I went to pexels.com and this is where I'm going to get my images. So I'm going to look for just one image. I'm going for a portrait image. So I think this one by Andrea Picadillo. So you can click on the image to see whether you're allowed to use it. So here it says free to use. This guy is from Hungary. So yeah, I'm going to go for free download. I'm going to go to photopea.com, and so this is the link to photopea.com, and I'm here. So I'm going to create a new project and I'm going to name this remove BG, and then I'm going to leave everything just like that. So I'm going to create. The first thing I want to do is import my image. So I'm going to go to file and then open and place here, and this is the image, and I'm going to open that image. Right, so it has been placed on the canvas, and so I'm going to check that, and that's it. Now we have our image. So the next thing we want to do is select our image on the layers panel. This is the layers panel, so you can see we have two layers. We have the background and then we have our image. So what I want to do is selecting the image and then pressing Ctrl J on Windows. I think it's Command J on Mac. You always want to create a duplicate, and if you mess around, then you have a fallback. It's actually good practice. So remember always to duplicate your stuff before you apply any changes. Toggle this eye here, so I don't want to see that image. So I'll just toggle the eye because I don't want this to appear on my layers. So now I have two layers, even though this is the ear, but we cannot see it. The next thing is we want to go to the selection, magic wand, this one. Alright, so this is the first one, the magic wand. This is the one that we want to use. And so with our image selected on the layers panel, with the image selected and with the magic wand too, you want to click on select subject. Click on select subject, you'll see it works its magic. The subject has been selected. Right, so with the subject selected, you want to come down here on the add raster mask. So I'm going to click on add raster mask. You can see what happens. That background is gone. Now I have the white background, which is this background here. Alright, so the next step is we can change this background from white to any other color. I'm going to select the background, and just above the background, I want to create this one, add a raster mask. So I'm going to add color fill. So click on color fill, and so by doing this we can add any color on the background. So let's see the green color first. If I press OK, you can see now, because this extra layer has been created here, so the background is now green. So you can change this to any other color that you want by double clicking this box up here with the color. So you can double click that and you can change to any other color. So I can move this to any other color. You can see if I move it down just like that, you can see the background. We can change it to any other color. So choose any color that you feel is the best color for you. After you finish that, then you can press OK, and we are done. And then file, export as PNG. So we want to export it like this, then we want to save it like that. Alright, so our image is ready, and then we can go and check our image. So remove BG, this will show image. Which one is remove BG? That one. Double click, you can see we have successfully removed the background from here to here. You can see from here to here. Alright, so I hope this is helpful. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I hope to see you in our next tutorial. For now, I'm out. Bye bye.